What's up, everybody? My name is Ateya and welcome to Ateya Rich, the Rich Life. So if you follow me on Instagram, I had a come spend the day with me on Saturday and it was amazing. I went to the bakery, I went to CVS, I went to the mall, I got my eyebrows waxed. I had a lot going on Saturday. But when I went to CVS, our CVS has the Olaplex hairline. And I've been seeing a lot of that on YouTube, so I want to give it a try. And CVS gave me 32% off my whole purchase. So make sure you guys check out the CVS app. It is amazing. Get on it. So as I was saying, I picked up the Olaplex hair products and I want to share with you guys what I'll be using today. I think my hair came out amazing. So let's get into this video and I hope you guys enjoy it. Tell me what you think. Check it out. So this is my hair ready to go for this hair wash day. The first thing we're going to use is the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So I washed my hair twice because it definitely needed it. So once you work it all in, make sure you rinse it out. So next we're going to use the number 5, which is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Make sure you smooth it in from root to tip. And we're going to leave this on our hair for 3 minutes and then wash it out. Now I'm going to take the number 6 and the number 9. Now the number 6 is a bond smoother, is a leave-in. And then also I'm going to add the Olaplex number 9, the bond protector, which is a hair serum. And then I'm going to comb my hair straight and I'm going to get ready to sit under the dryer. So now I'm going to take out my Dyson, which is a great investment, and I'm going to blow dry my hair straight. So now I'm going to take the Chi heat protector and spray on my hair before I flat iron my hair and curl my hair. Right here, I'm using the Izutech iron. I still have my Izunami, I still have my Chi. They all still work great. So I'm just going to continue to flat iron my hair straight from root to tip. Y'all see the girl got grays, huh? Baby, your girl is getting old. But I'm embracing my grays, so I think they look beautiful. So I'm done straightening my hair. Now I'm going to curl. I love this Conair Infinity Pro iron. It's a 1 inch. And what I do, I curl and clip. So off camera, I let my curls cool and then I did my makeup. So I'm taking the clips down. And then I'm going to use my It's 10 serum. I love this stuff. So I'm going to work it in from root to tip. And then I'm going to just style my hair. So with this, my hair has a lot of body when I use a smaller curling iron. And I just always love the results when I do it this way. And it's easy to wrap at night as well. So let me know, guys, have you ever used the Olaplex line? Let me know if you enjoyed it or not. So right here, I'm just going to take my Kera Edge Tamer. I'm just going to lay my edges down. And your girl still have the swing and the bang bang. So I hope you guys had a great Sunday. And thank you for watching. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please take care of yourselves, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.